Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of G sound. GG is the seventh letter of the alphabet. It makes the G sound, just like in goat. Open your mouth slightly and say G with a strong sound from your throat. Word recognition. G for grapes, a tasty fruit that grows in bunches. G for giraffe, the tallest animal with a long neck. G for goat, a farm animal that gives milk. G for globe, a small model of the earth. Can you think of more words that start with G? Writing practice. Let's trace and write G and G. Follow the dotted lines carefully and practice both uppercase G and lowercase g. Say G every time you write it. Activity, beginning sound recognition. Look at the pictures below and write the first letter. Gate, write G. Guava, write G. Glasses, write G. Great job, you're learning fast. More vocabulary. Here are some more words that begin with G. New words. Glasses, worn to help see better. Gun, a weapon that shoots bullets. Guava, a delicious tropical fruit. Gate, a door in a fence or wall. Glass, a clear material used in windows or to drink from. Girl, a young female person. Wow, you did an amazing job learning about the letter G. Keep practicing and soon you'll know all the letters. Next time we'll explore another exciting letter. See you soon.